Your AC compressor plays a major role in keeping your home cool. It helps circulate refrigerant so heat can be removed and cool air flows indoors. A healthy compressor helps keep your home cool and comfortable. When the compressor is under stress, your AC may blow warm air or make unusual noises. Regular maintenance is vital as the compressor is one of the most critical parts of your system. Catching small problems early can help prevent costly repairs. Take care of your compressor, it helps take care of your comfort. Thank you for watching.